Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fix, and this is the 2025 Kia K5. Yes, this is their sporty coupe, and there are different trim levels, including the GT. This is the GT, the most performance, the best handling, but there's a lot of changes for this car, and starting with the design, both inside and out, has been changed. You'll notice this new lighting signature, the star map lighting. You saw this originally on the EV9 and the EV6. Well, now you're seeing this lighting pattern going across the full Kia lineup. The new Kia logo is here, as well as this shark nose front grille, black gloss all the way down. I really like these new gray colors that all the brands are coming out with. They're more modern, more sophisticated, and certainly more sporty. As we go further back, you're gonna see this new sloped glass roof, glass all the way across the top. This is the GT, so it's gonna have the more sportier look with the black trim around the windows versus chrome, which you'd find on the EX or the other trim levels. What's also new is the wheels. 16-inch on your entry level, 18-inch on the higher level, and on the GT and the GT line, these are 19. And on the GT, green calipers. That's really cool. That's standard across the lineup. 245 40R19 Pirelli P0 super sticky tires, because it's about performance, and this vehicle is there to perform. Now let's take a look at some of the other features that are on this car. As you work your way around to the back, there's a few changes across the back. The first thing you're going to note across the back is the most obvious thing, the tail lights. This is that new star map lighting, the same thing you see on the EV6. That's also in the EV9. You're seeing this across the Kia lineup. You've got the GT exhaust pipes here, nice and clean, and that GT logo, very modern, and again, tons of safety and security is built right into this car. This paint color actually has a metallic to it. It doesn't appear that way, but I just noticed it, and it looks pretty cool. Let's take a look inside and under the hood, show you some more details. There are two engine choices depending on your trim level. That's 191 horsepower, this 2.5 liter naturally aspirated engine. The LXS, EX, and GT line power of the new engine is increased by 11 horsepower over the previous 1.6 liter turbo. Torque comes in at a robust 181 pound-feet of torque. The GT comes in at 290 horsepower and a stout 311 pound-feet of torque. That's mated with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that drives the front wheels. These are available in all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. Pretty cool, nice improvement for Kia. Let's take a look inside the vehicle. Brand new seating as well. I love this green stitching to tie in with those green calipers. Really nicely done. This is what they call a vegan leather, or there's no real leather available on this. Power seats, 10-way power seats, really nice looking. On the door panel, you'll see that additional green stitching in the Bose audio system. Other than that, it's pretty much the way the previous generation was. But this is where the change is. Two 12.3-inch screens, all together, hoodless, much like you're seeing with the other Kia brands, flat bottom steering wheel. I think that's important with any performance car. If you're going to talk performance, you got to have a flat bottom steering wheel and a nice grippy steering wheel, which is also really important. I like the details and the soft materials. They're all textured, so it's easier to clean. The textured materials here are really nice, so it's easier to clean. They are not soft, but they are textured, and that just makes it easier to clean. Nice details here that they've added across the materials. This nice little vent covers. They're not metallic. Remember, this is about being a little on the budget-friendly side as well. You've got wireless charging for one, cup holders, a Prindle, a real shifter, not the dial shifter, but a real shifter, park assist, cameras, auto hold, heated and ventilated seats are right here, and you can change that drive mode right next to that heated steering wheel button, so you can go sport if you really want to take this thing on the track and have a little bit of fun and see if you can burn up those Pirelli tires. But overall, it's a big improvement. All standard safety, more safety than before. I think that's a huge plus, and a big glass roof as well. And then, of course, you've got the nice storage with another charge port. Let's take a look at the second row in the trunk area. Here in the second row, you've got two child safety seats. These seats are actually really nice. They have actual forms to them, so you're not sliding across a flat bench seat. They're a little sportier. I really like this green stitching that they're carrying across. Nice, soft, cushiony seats. Cup holders are here behind the center console. Two USB-C charge ports, as well as ventilation. Pockets behind each. Really simple, really clean. This is a sporty sedan, or you can just buy the EX entry level and just have a fun vehicle to drive as a daily driver. This is still a super popular car, so don't let anyone tell you otherwise. I think that's really important. Let's take a look at the trunk space. First thing you're to note, there is a spare tire. A lot of vehicles don't come with spare tires anymore, but there is a lot of storage, more than just for this car cover, because we're here at the Chicago Auto Show and Kia's going to cover this car for the night. Lots of storage. That has not changed, and that's also really important. And again, no power trunk. Pricing will be coming on this very soon, and we will be taking it for a test drive. But in the meantime, if you have any additional questions about the 2025 Kia K5 and a lot of the changes that have been done, put that down in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you got value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Lots of still competitors in this category. Don't think that sedans are going away. They're still a very popular category for a lot of people. If you want to follow me, all the social media is listed down below, as well as the website, the podcast, the social media, and all. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy me a cup of coffee or stay tuned for another way to save some money. Have you ever thought, why in the world is my wireless bill so darn high? What are we paying all this money for? Speed, coverage, data, access to 5G, unlimited talk and text, mobile hotspots? We are partnering with Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile offers all of these features for as low as $15 per month. They're reimagining the wireless shopping experience and made it easy and online. No stores, no salespeople, just huge direct-to-you savings. Why should you pay more when you have access to premium wireless? Mint Mobile runs on the nation's largest 5G network. Whether you use your phone to watch YouTube, listen to podcasts, or play games, you get the same speed and performance as the big guys while connecting to Mint's network. How hard is it to switch your service? Big Wireless wants you to think it's hard, but switching to Mint is super easy. Thanks to digital eSIM cards, which most phones now have, you can sign up and activate immediately right on your phone from the comfort of your home. And if your phone doesn't have an eSIM, Mint will ship you a new SIM card for free. Just go to trymintmobile.com/LaurenFix, also linked in the description down below, to get premium wireless for $15 a month.